Hello, my name's Lizzie from Stafford Land Rover, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Range Rover 3.0 D300 HSE. Now this vehicle is a diesel with an automatic transmission. It is ULEZ compliant and is finished in Carpathian grey. To start off with then, you have your LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with 23-inch multi-spoke gloss black finish alloy wheels, really complementing against the Carpathian grey exterior colour. You also have keyless entry, which allows you to either lock or unlock the vehicle, even if the keys are in the bottom of your bag or perhaps even your pocket. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, you can find your electric boot lid, and once open you can see that you've got a substantial amount of room. You could easily fit in a large size suitcase or perhaps a pushchair. Moving to the rear seats now, you are able to find the ebony leather upholstery. The middle seat does fold down to provide an armrest, or you could fold it away. Moving to the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel infotainment system, and as we pan around again you can find that lovely upholstery once more, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. This car also features a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving it a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel, which is also heated, you have your hands-free options, volume controls and of course your cruise control. Taking a look at your dash, you can see this vehicle has done 15,428 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. You also have a head-up display, which is a brilliant safety feature as it allows you to see the speed you are travelling at without taking your eyes off the road. On your infotainment system, you have everything you may need for any journey. Included with this is your navigation system, which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring that you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations. As well as this, you also have your DAB radio, which is all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. Perhaps if you can't, you also have your Android Auto and Apple CarPlay connectivity, which not only allows you to use Apple or Google Maps, it also allows you to listen to your own music whilst travelling. You also have your 4x4 information, your terrain response drive modes, and of course your ride height and weight sensing. All these individual features make the vehicle suited for most off-road terrain and any off-road adventures you may plan or find yourself on. Pairing with this nicely is the off-road feature on the 360 view camera. The 360 view camera allows you to see almost every angle of the vehicle, which makes manoeuvring and reversing so much easier, especially in those difficult parking situations. As well as this, the front seats in this vehicle are both heated and ventilated, ideal for those hot summer days as well as those colder winter ones. And pairing with this nicely, you do in fact have a dual zone climate control, so you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger. This has been a presentation on a Range Rover 3.0 D300 HSE that's now available to purchase from Stafford Land Rover. For more information, please contact our sales team.